So Miss Ma'am is on and she is fitted, okay? She's fitting. This is laying down very, very flat. Very, very easy to install. I just used a little bit of my aloe mousse around the front of the hairline. I didn't add any bobby pins on the side today because I feel like it fits me pretty snug, so I'm not worried about it going anywhere. However, if I was out, it was windy, I would definitely add some on the side for extra security so I don't have to worry about that lace kind of flapping up. And when I put my mousse on, I just kind of swooped it into place so you wouldn't notice this little lace right here, and it swooped like really good because you can't, you know, really tell unless I just kind of lift it up like that.